Now, as we just mentioned, 3 cases of coronavirus have been confirmed in India and all of them are in Kerala, even as we've got one suspect coronavirus patient in Karnataka's Hubli district. Now, several Indian nationals are still stranded in China's Wuhan city, which is the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak.
The coronavirus scare in India is very real, as 3 cases have now been confirmed in the country. All 3 confirmed coronavirus cases are in Kerala. Students who returned to their hometown from epicenter Wuhan. All the 3 students have now been quarantined.
According to Kerala Health Minister KK Shailaja, all the hospitals in the state are fully equipped to handle even the worst cases in connection with the coronavirus. All government hospitals and medical colleges have been equipped with isolation wards, and many patients are already being monitored in these hospitals. The treatment protocol for the novel coronavirus have been briefed to the doctors and other paramedical staffs in the government and private hospitals in the state.
Another individual suspected to have symptoms of coronavirus has been admitted to a hospital in Karnataka's Hubli district. Over the weekend, over 600 Indians were rescued from Wuhan in China. But there are still several Indians in Wuhan who are appealing to the government to save them.
मतलब हम इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहते हैं कि हमें भी यहाँ से निकालें। हमारे भी पेरेंट्स हैं, वो भी टेंशन में, हमें भी घर जाना चाहते हैं। बस तो हम इतना सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट को, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को कहना चाहते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द जितना हो उतना हमें यहाँ से जल्दी बस शिफ्ट कर दे इंडिया।
Those who were rescued from Wuhan are now in an army isolation camp in Haryana's Manesar and are passing time in a fun way as they continue to stay quarantined. China, meanwhile, is struggling to control the spread of the deadly virus. The death toll in China has crossed 360 and over 17,000 people have been infected.
While the test results of more than 60 samples are still awaited from the National Institute of Virology, the state government hopes that they can contain this lethal virus without any casualties from Kerala. With camera person Tinku Rajshekharan, Gopi Krishnan in Thiruvananthapuram for India Today.
My colleague Gopi Krishnan now joins us live from Thiruvananthapuram for more on the story. Now, Gopi, even though we've got a whole bunch of people who've flown in from Wuhan who are in quarantine and being monitored in the national capital, there are 3 confirmed cases in the state of Kerala, and of course an emergency has been declared as well. Just give us an overview as the sort of preparedness that is there on the ground, the medical facilities to ensure that these 3 patients are monitored and the virus does not spread further.
Well, Radhika, as of yesterday evening, we have 3 positive cases. 3 patients have been tested positive for the novel coronavirus, and all 3 of them happen to be from Kerala. Though these patients are scattered in southern part of Kerala, that is the one in Alappuzha, another in central Kerala, which is in Thrissur, and another in northern Kerala, which is in Kasargod. All these 3 patients are actually maintaining a very similar travel history. And we have been told by the Health Minister that all these 3 patients were traveling together. They were part of the same batch who had traveled from Wuhan. They reached an airport in India. From there, they proceeded to Kerala together. And all of them came on the same date. And all of them are also students of the same university. They have been knowing they have known each other for a very long time. So that actually implies that this particular virus detection or the positive cases could actually be contained to a particular batch. That is one reason why the rest of the people who travel with them or who were in close contact with these people have already been requested to be on home quarantine. And there are some people who are actually showing some mild symptoms of fever or flu, and these people have already been taken to the isolation ward. Talking about the preparation, one positive element that has come from Kerala is that all these 3 cases which have been tested positive are the patients who were already in isolation wards, because these people actually reached in Kerala on 24th of January, and after 2 days when they started showing the symptoms, they were immediately taken to the isolation ward, and their samples were even collected from the isolation ward. So that is actually one thing that the state government believes was actually a very good move because they managed to ensure that these people, even before they showed any kind of symptoms, they could be restricted from the rest of the world or the rest of the people, which would further curb any possibilities of contaminating any person in Kerala. That is actually one thing the state government sees as a huge success, and they actually are anticipating over 70 samples, most of them who have come from Wuhan, and they are actually expecting at least a few of them to be positive, because there are some people who are actually showing very similar symptoms and who are actually part
So
of the
Gopi,
same.
clearly, as you're telling us, the Kerala government has been proactive, and that is why at this point of time, these 3 cases are in quarantine, and they are hoping that it doesn't spread further. Thank you for that ground report.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.